This is Dad's new laptop. He loves it very much.
Dad's new laptop. He loves this so much.
Mia and Max are brother and sister. They are going to play today.
Alex, the kids are playing chess upstairs. They sound so excited today.
That's great, Emily.
Good. But you know Mia, she gets really upset if she loses.
Mia, do you want to play chess?
But please don't get angry if you lose like last time.
Lose? Ha ha! Today I'm gonna win for sure. I feel like a champion. Look at my move, Max. It's perfect. You should be careful because I'm playing super good today.
All right, let's play fairly. Fair and square. Your move.
My pieces are attacking everywhere. I'm the queen of chess. You're playing too fast, Mia. That can cause mistakes. No, I got this.
No mistakes, just winning moves. They are laughing so much. I hope it stays fun.
It will be.
Yes, my plan is working so well. Max, you look worried. Are you scared of losing to your little sister? Not at all. I'm not scared. I'm just thinking. Another great move. I think I'm definitely gonna win. You can't beat me today.
Let's go upstairs in a bit and check on them.
Sounds like a good idea.
Hey, why are my pieces getting trapped? This is not fair.
It's fair. You need to defend your king too.
My king is still safe. I'm not gonna lose. I'm the best. We'll see. Mia, your king is in big trouble now. No way! I'm still gonna win. Watch me. Checkmate. This can't be true. You cheated. I never lose. I hate you right now. Now just wait. I'm gonna make you regret this win.
Mia was very angry. She wanted to make Max get into trouble.
Dad's new laptop. He loves this so much. Ah!
Mia, what are you doing? That's Dad's new laptop. Stop it right now.
Mia, don't touch that. Stop. Please stop. No. Take that. Yes, I did it. You broke it. You actually broke it. Now Dad will think you did this. You will get punished, not me. Please, Mia, don't do this. You're gonna get both of us in big trouble. Good. Trouble for you, fun for me. I don't care. You deserve to be blamed.
They suddenly became very quiet.
I wonder what happened. Yeah, it's strange. Maybe they fell asleep.
Let's check on them.
Mia went to Mom and Dad's room. She wanted to break more things. Mia, please don't touch Mom's things. She will be very hurt. Stop. Let go of me, Max.
This photo is Mom's favorite memory. And this perfume Dad gave her on their anniversary. Everything is broken now.
Mia, stop! Why are you destroying everything?
Mia?
Because I can! Huh?
This beautiful scarf, now it's ruined. And everyone will think you did it, Max.
Alex! That sounded like glass breaking again!
I'm getting really scared now. It's okay, Emily. Stay calm. I'm here. I'll go check. Stay here.
See? Now you are the bad brother. Mom and Dad will scold you so much. I'm really enjoying this.
I never thought you could be so mean. You're my sister.
You made me lose the game. This is what you get.
She is blaming Max for everything.
This is so much fun. You are going to get grounded for a whole month, and I will be the good girl.
I didn't break anything!
Why are you lying about me? Because I wanted revenge. And my revenge is working perfectly.
We have heard enough. Let's go inside.
Yes, let's.
What in the world has happened here?
Dad, Mom, This is not what it looks like.
Mia, did you do all this?
We were standing right outside the door. We heard everything.
My favorite photo, my scarf. Mia, how could you break all these things?
I was angry because I lost the chess game. I wanted Max to get punished.
So you broke our things and then blamed your own brother? You even said you were enjoying it when he gets scolded.
We trusted you, Mia. You not only destroyed our belongings, but also tried to make your brother look bad.
I'm sorry. I was very angry. I wanted revenge. I didn't think it was wrong at that time. Mia, you broke everything and kept saying that now I will get all the punishment.
Mia, listen to me. Losing a game is normal, but what you did today is not normal. You destroyed things we worked hard for.
We need to respect our belongings.
You hurt your brother. You hurt us. And most importantly, you hurt yourself by doing all this.
I know I was very bad. I let my anger win. I'm really sorry. Mia, I forgive you. But please don't ever do something like this again.
We forgive you, Mia. But you must learn that anger and pride can destroy a family.
Next time you lose, just accept it gracefully. That's what big girls do. I understand now. I will try to be a better sister and daughter.
Let's clean this mess together and then have a nice family dinner.
I made this mess, so I will clean most of it. That's my girl. We are a family.
We fix things together.
We do.
We all make mistakes, Mia. What's important is that we accept them and try to become better.
We love you, Princess. We forgive you. I'm so sorry, Mom, Dad, and Max. I was very selfish and mean today. I destroyed so many things just because I lost a game. Please forgive me.
Mom, can I help you make the salad? I want to do something good today.
Today we learned an important lesson. Never let anger or pride break our family.
Smells amazing.
Looks delicious. Are you ready for dinner?
Ready.
We all forgive you, sweetheart.
No!
Now let's start fresh. We are a family, and families always forgive each other.